Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting bundle to talk about the ARRIS Surfboard SBG8300 DOCSIS 3.1 Gigabit cable modem and AC2350 Wi-Fi router, paired with the Roku Express 4K+. This combo promises to revolutionize your home connectivity and streaming experience. Let's dive right in. First up, let's discuss the ARRIS Surfboard SBG8300 cable modem and Wi-Fi router. This product boasts DOCSIS 3.1 technology, which is the latest and greatest in cable internet. It's 10 times faster than DOCSIS 3.0, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds and lower latency for gaming. Did you know that owning your modem can save you a significant amount of money? With the ARRIS Surfboard SBG8300, you can reduce your cable bill by up to $168 per year by eliminating rental fees. It's certified to work with most U.S. cable internet service providers, so you're not limited in your choices. Setting up this modem and router is a breeze. Just plug it in, download the Surfboard Central app, and follow the step-by-step instructions. You can customize your Wi-Fi network and even manage parental controls, such as setting time limits and pausing internet access, all through the app. Now, let's shift our focus to the Roku Express 4K+. This streaming device offers brilliant 4K picture quality with HDR support. You'll enjoy stunning resolution and vivid colors optimized for your TV. With the Roku Express 4K+, you can say goodbye to buffering and juggling remotes. It provides a smooth streaming experience with a faster wireless network connection, and the included voice remote allows you to control your TV and Roku device effortlessly. Searching for your favorite content has never been easier. The Roku voice remote allows you to quickly search, play entertainment, and control your streaming device with voice commands. It's compatible with popular voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google. In conclusion, the ARRIS Surfboard SBG8300 cable modem and Wi-Fi router paired with the Roku Express 4K+ is an excellent bundle for anyone looking to upgrade their home connectivity and streaming experience. With high-speed internet, cost savings, and seamless streaming, it's a must-have for modern households. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an exciting product review. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.